How to become successful at affiliate marketing. Affiliate programs are a great marketing technique that companies use to lure in customers. Companies basically outsource the job of attracting customers to affiliates by paying them for each sale made. When using affiliate marketing, there are some important facts to remember. Use the tips in the following video to properly use affiliate marketing. To sell products more easily, look for cheap products. Present the price as an excellent deal and compare it to what customers would have to pay in a store. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, work on adding to your passive income through programs that offer continuity. Successful marketers have various continuity programs that offer reoccurring income over an extended period of time. This reoccurring income will provide a sound financial base that you can then build upon. Affiliate marketers should always be experimenting with different styles and techniques. Since the internet is in a state of perpetual evolution, your affiliate campaign should be, as well. Some things you try are not going to work, but you simply will never know unless you try them out. Experimenting is the way to go. Affiliates should never overreach and begin to market multiple products simultaneously, especially when they're starting out, but nothing says you cannot diversify your income stream. You can be involved with affiliate marketing on multiple levels that do not involve direct commissions, such as referrals. Have people sign up on your recommendation and you can earn big. As stated before, companies lure in customers by using affiliate programs. Companies hire affiliates to attract more customers and pay them for each sale. By using the tips from the video above, you can use affiliate marketing to lure in more customers and increase the profits of your business. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google Indie ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.